Here's the origami crown made from single sheet square paper. You can make it of any type of paper as long as it's a square. So you can make it of printer paper, notebook paper, whatever. Start with the paper color side down. Take this point and fold it to this point to make a diagonal crease. Unfold, rotate, then take this point and fold it here to make another diagonal crease. Unfold, take the corner and fold it to the middle of the X. This is where the diagonals intersect. Repeat with the rest of the corners. Flip the paper over. Take the bottom edge and fold it to the middle of the paper. While you're making this fold, lift this triangular flap up. It should automatically lift up. Flatten the paper. Repeat on the other side. Flatten the paper again. Unfold. Rotate the paper 90 degrees and repeat. Repeat on the other side. Take both of these triangles and place them in the middle of the paper. Fold this triangle up on this edge. Repeat with this triangle. Repeat with the two remaining triangles on this side. Move the triangles in the middle downward. Flatten the paper. Then open the paper up like this. Shape it into a box shape. Here's the finished origami crown.